Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and delicious fried rice at home. It's quick, full of flavor and made with simple ingredients. And I will also share 4 secret tips to get that crispy restaurant style fried rice. So make sure to watch until the end. First, let's prepare the chicken. Today I use chicken breast, but you can use chicken thighs as well. It is in fact much juicier and tender than the chicken breast. Now, you can also skip the meat completely and go with eggs only. I have already done an egg fried rice video, so make sure to check that out. The link is in the description. Cut the chicken breast lengthwise into inch thick strips. Then slice them thinly. Thin slices cook faster, and since this is a stir fry dish, everything will be done in few minutes. Now here's a secret that restaurants use to make chicken tender and juicy. They marinate it before cooking. Marinating makes the chicken stay tender while exposed to high heat of wok cooking. The process is actually very simple. Add your chicken to a bowl and add soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and add a pinch of black pepper, cornstarch, and a little bit of oil. Now mix everything well until chicken is evenly coated. Let it marinate for about 1 hour and make sure to keep it in the fridge. This is going to give you tender and juicy chicken just like in a takeout box. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the rice. The rice you use is the first step to a crispy fried rice. Choose a less sticky rice like basmati or jasmine. Wash the rice thoroughly to remove excess starch. This step is very important because if you skip this, it will make the rice sticky and is going to make a big mess. Now, there are many ways to cook the rice, but the easiest and the most reliable way is using a rice cooker. Measure equal parts rice and water and add them to the rice cooker and let it cook. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the rice cooker and open the lid to let the steam escape. If you bring the hot, steaming rice straight to the wok, it's going to make a big mess. You can't make fried rice with fresh, steaming rice. Now, don't worry, you don't have to wait hours to make it. Now here's the secret to make rice ready for fried rice in 30 minutes. Get a tray and spread the rice evenly and allow it to cool down for about 15 minutes. Make sure to give it a stir every few minutes so it can cool faster. After 15 minutes, put it in the fridge for another 15 minutes. Now you have just made the perfect day-old rice in just 30 minutes. While the rice and the chicken is resting, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'm using eggs, carrots, some spring onions, and a few cloves of garlic. Now let's get back to chicken. It should be marinated well and ready for cooking. Get a wok or pan over medium-high heat and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and fry for a few minutes. Once the chicken turns golden brown, remove it from the pan and set it aside. We will use them later. Now, let's get ready for the final action. Fried rice cooks very fast, so make sure everything is ready before you start. Get a wok or pan over medium-high heat until it starts to smoke. Add some oil, and when the oil is hot, add the minced garlic. Immediately crack in the eggs and let them set for a few seconds. Use your spatula or the ladle to break them up. Now add your cooled down rice on top of egg and mix it immediately. You don't want those eggs to overcook. You want them slightly soft. Now turn the heat all the way up. We are going to fry the rice over very high heat. This is the secret to get that exact restaurant style taste without using fancy ingredients. This high temperature removes moisture from the rice and keeps it crispy and dry. Now add the carrots and continue to stir frying until everything is well mixed. Every takeout and restaurant use secret sauce to elevate the flavor of the fried rice. Now let's do the same thing. It is very simple and you already got everything right in your own kitchen. Get a small bowl and add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and mix until everything is combined. You just made the quickest sauce you ever made. And trust me, it's very good when you add to fried rice. Now push your rice to one side of the wok and pour the sauce directly onto the hot surface and let it caramelize for a few seconds. Mix it into the rice. Turn the heat up and stir fry for another 30 seconds. Finally, add the cooked chicken and the spring onions on the top. Toss everything together and adjust the seasoning with salt if needed. And that's it. Crispy, flavorful, restaurant-style fried rice made at your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing recipes. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.